During a recent episode of It's Showtime, host Kim Chiu slipped and accidentally revealed that Vice Ganda had dengue previously. Buti okay ka na, ma, kahit may dengue ka, nagtrabaho ka pa rin. This is what Kapamilya actress host Kim Chiu quipped in a recent episode of It's Showtime to superstar comedian Vice Ganda. The latter was talking about lab tests and his better platelet count when suddenly, Chiu expressed this remark that got him surprised and laughing. At talagang in-out mo na nagka-dengue ako, said Vice while laughing. The other hosts were also surprised as the topic was just supposed to be pangsilang. Kim immediately realized what she did and firmly covered her mouth. In a response to what Kim has said, Vice expressed, "Sana alam ko na may dengue ako ng time na yon. Hindi ko nga alam, di ba? Nalaman ko na lang, nasa dulo na, ay may dengue pala ko." According to Vice, he was not severely affected by the symptoms because of his strong immune system. He also believes that his healthy lifestyle was also a big help. Meanwhile, according to the World Health Organization (WHO), dengue is a viral infection transmitted to humans through the bite of infected mosquitoes. It is estimated that there are 100 hanggang 400 million infections occur every year with half of the world's population at risk. Symptoms: high fever, 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Severe headache, pain behind the eyes, muscle and joint pains, nausea, vomiting, swollen glands, rash. Severe symptoms which is a greater risk to those who have been infected for the second time are severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, rapid breathing, bleeding gums or nose, fatigue, restlessness, blood in vomit or stool, being very thirsty, pale and cold skin, feeling weak,